Yes, this one is very friendly. Ugh. Don't attack my phone. Come here, come on. There's nothing over there. Kitty. What? Of course you stop. Oh. Now you're just getting over there. You're playful earlier, now you're not. This one likes to bite fingers. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You like biting fingers and ruining my clothes.
Taking a video of that kitty? He sure is a friendly cat, huh?
Yes.
Nice kitty. Nice kitty.
You know the cats don't like that. All of the cats don't like that.
I know it.
Let go then.
But look at how nice he is.
Well, let go then.
It's okay.
Let go. Some reason dogs and cats like me. Some reason they're like friendly
I'm
towards
not sure
me.
why that is. Now Silky's saying.
Yeah, see, this one likes to bite fingers.
Yep.
That way I do this and then sometimes jumps after it. Stop. Now, interested something over there. I don't
Yeah.
know what.
Let me see the mouse. I wonder how many mice they catch.
Like and subscribe.